This product is ICEW-011V. ICEW yarn is white to white yarn. The composition is CVC. There are 60% cotton and 40% polyester. The effect is snow texture. You can dye the fabric with regular dyed in process. Since we supply ICEW yarn in raw white, you can reduce the cost of the fabric by knitting ICEW yarn with regular cotton yarn or CVC yarn. Here, we show big piece of the ice yarn. You can see the snow effect here. Besides, we show the detail of the fabric on the right hand. You can see weight of the fabric, width and composition. By the way, you can see the ICEW effect on vintage texture style, after disperse and bleached. ICEW-011V is raw white. Interestingly, we recommend you to disperse, dyed and bleach on the fabric process to get an effect like this. Therefore, you can do variety color and shade after dyeing the fabric. You can dye with reactive dye. The effect is heavier. It is darker, since it is CVC. You can even dye ICEW with two-part dye, reactive dye and disperse dye. You can get different color shades. We show you the method to save cost. The top one is 100% ICEW yarn. The bottom is 1 feeder ICEW and 3 feeder regular CVC. You still get the snow effect, but fewer effect and lower cost also. Furthermore, it depends on your customer need. This one we show the application of the ICEW yarn. You can use ICEW yarn knit to be the baby French terry. The front is ICEW-011V and on the back we use the 21 count cotton yarn. After knitting, you dye, disperse and bleached cotton part. So you get a French terry effect like this. You can also create a stripe using ICE 50 feeder of the ice yarn and 50 feeder of the regular cotton yarn. After knitting, you disperse, dye and bleached. You will get a stripe on the top. In contrast, on the bottom it is a same greige fabric, but you use a reactive dye on the fabric to get a stripe like the one below.